Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google Photos account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. There might be a couple of reasons you would want to delete your Google Photos account. In the first place, maybe you're running out of storage on your device. Maybe you want to keep things private and secure, or you might simply want to stay away from cloud content. Whatever your reason is, here's how you can get rid of your Google Photos account. What you can do is, simply go to your Google Photos application and tap it on. Once you do that, tap on the upper right corner of your profile picture, and tap on Manage your Google account. Tap on your email address, and tap on Manage Accounts on this device. Tap on your Google account and tap on removing the account from the pop-up. Select Remove Account, and you'll be signed out with all your Google accounts. If you don't want to use Google Photos anymore, then you can simply go and uninstall the Google Photos application. Tap on OK from the pop-up, and that way you'll be able to delete your Google Photos if you no longer want to use them. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.